Welcome to part two of this let's just start it. My finger hurts. I'm doing this on the same way as I did the other video. It was really changing my limit to see. My favorite one. My favorite character is Undyne, Asriel, and Mettaton. Erasmaton. That's like a Pokemon. I keep on forgetting that's a disco ball, not a moon. Looks like a moon. I saw a good animation of Mettaton before. I love the saxophone part. Mettaton, I will take you down. Look at things like they are sharper than ever. No. Mercy's dead, it's the end. All was lost for a cause. If you were very strong, na 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 na. Child, don't give me that frown. But determination is strong. Now, child, it is easy for you to beat me if you wish to. It is not very easy to be the king of monsters. You will see. I am strong and I am so tall, but you're determined. I am not. I will do this for my coat, even if she sees, even if she's, I will never leave. No, 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 no. There's no way to go proceed. I won't let you plead. Talking won't help. You should not stop. If you don't fight, I will do it for you. It is easy for me. Yeah. We're already 5 minutes in. Wow. What's after this? I feel bad. You have to appreciate what Frisk goes through. Like, she's in front of this nightmare in a nutshell. What a happy song. This is super happy too. Why don't you like it? It's so happy for me too. It's so happy. Do 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 do. Oh man. How long is this? I wanna play it through this. Yeah, I have to stop in the middle. I think he's gonna reaching my limit. There's lots of other songs we missed, like Papyrus and Sans. We missed Sans, Papyrus, and Amalgamates. That's the only way you didn't try. Oh, okay. This is not really a boss, really, but okay. Just close your eyes and relax. Oh god. Oh, so you don't get to see friends. Oh, okay. I love the drawings. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here, because there's nothing there. Unless we have another one. Yeah. Might as well do this. Because this one is just 6 minutes. There's step up. What will tell you? Your options are shown. Which one, what to choose? You shall never creep from the heat. This is your reward. You step to the path that you just built up. Carry on and stay strong. You still don't get into yellow. This is not the step. You act good until they give up starting with the ruins. Now move on. The great papyrus finally has a car. Sam stopped being much prepared than is on the track. Deep in snow, soon is much too cold. We know we won't miss it. Even though the time's so nice, we can keep our souls bright with her presence better. Giselle is filtering the winter days here. We won't worry about all the consensus. Hey, look at Burger Pants. Oh God! You talk too fast. Shawnee. About acting no more. Okay. Now free me to be on TV. Now being famous and over success. Now I'm ready to Go to the left, go to the right, no go up, doing your thing, and the door, but you know she'll never come over to you. I saw some wingdings there. You saw them too. Oh, she's giving out her hands to Flowey. On stars. I thank you for your Oh, guys, I need to talk to you. You have to put down in the comments what you want me to watch and react to, because I need to get more reactions out there. And yeah, thanks for understanding, I guess. Okay, bye. Maybe this one song wouldn't hurt. Okay, bye everybody. I don't really care.